My name is Mike Alvarez. I am the commander of the San Gorgonio Pass CHP office here in Beaumont, California. The mission of the California Highway Patrol is to provide the highest level of safety, service, and security to the people of California. A major component of that mission is to decrease the number of injury and fatal traffic collisions that occur within the CHP's jurisdiction. Back in October of 2018, the California Office of Traffic Safety awarded the San Gorgonio Pass CHP office a grant in order to reduce the number of injury and fatal traffic collisions that occur within our jurisdiction. First is the traditional approach, where I deploy additional CHP resources to problematic areas in order to increase enforcement efforts. The second approach is educating the community and then compelling them to push our message. I, the California Highway Patrol, and our task force is reaching out to our community. If you see a social media post or a PSA video on our Facebook or Instagram, share it. If you have a community event that you would like the Highway Patrol to come speak at, invite us. If you know of violators or a problematic area in your community that you would like the Highway Patrol to focus on, contact us. And I'm happy to say that with the community's involvement, we are starting to see a downward trend in our fatal and injury traffic collisions. We've issued well over 1,000 citations and removed countless impaired drivers from the roadway. By this point in April of 2016, the San Gorgonio Pass CHP had experienced already 17 fatal traffic collisions. Last year by this point, we had already experienced 15 fatal traffic collisions. However, at this point for 2019, we've only experienced 10 fatal traffic collisions in our jurisdiction. 10 fatal traffic collisions is entirely too high, and ultimately our goal is 0 fatal traffic collisions. The Banning City Mayor, Art Welch, sits on our task force, as well as a number of other traffic safety stakeholders. Each task force member is challenged to come up with innovative strategies and ideas that are tailored to their agency's focus. My message for the Pass community is simple. The San Gorgonio Pass CHP office is dedicated to decreasing the number of injury and fatal traffic collisions that occur within our jurisdiction. And that dedication will go well beyond this grant cycle. This is only the beginning of our efforts. We serve a passionate and dedicated community, and as your Highway Patrol, we need your partnership. We cannot be successful in this grant cycle without our community's involvement.